Hi everyone, today I'll be showing my M1 portfolio, mainly so you can see the starting point. There really isn't anything to write home about at this stage, and I'm not going to go over every single holding, because frankly, I think it's besides the point, and it's kind of boring. The main takeaway here is to understand that it's a dividend portfolio only, with auto invest turned on and dividend reinvestment. I may make a more detailed video at a later time about the specific percentages and positions, but this early on, I don't think that's necessary because I'm still nailing down exactly what my goals are and which holdings are the best to achieve that. So there isn't much use in going over everything in detail when I may change things up in the near future anyways. But all of my stocks pay out a dividend, and all except two are aristocrats. The reason I started with these choices is that I wanted to get in with proven companies. Picking stocks is both an art and a science, and right now I am neither an artist nor a scientist. So by sticking to aristocrats, I can lower my risk pretty substantially. With 25-year minimum of raising dividends, it's a much safer place to put your money until you really understand how to analyze a company's financials, while still letting you get into the arena, because when you're in the game, you may gain or lose, but if you aren't even in the game, you are guaranteed not to gain. One of the things that always kept me from investing and made me, unfortunately, get a late start in investing is analysis paralysis. I was always waiting for the right time, the right stock, right niche, right index fund, etc. And the result was I never made a single cent. At some point, you just have to go for it and learn by doing. Here you can see my funding activities so far. I just started this month. I really wanted to get started with $1,000, but I have a big expense to deal with in the next couple months. So I'm going to have to take a little bit longer to get there than planned. Although since I automatically add $25 a week at least, I know I'm bound to get there and I won't be tempted to not invest or forget. The money will be taken out of my bank account without me even having to think about it. Honestly though, not having that nice round 1,000 will probably really bother me, and I'm sure I'll end up adding more money to get there faster. This is just a simple Excel spreadsheet that I made to help track the dividend payments. Green is the ones that I expect to get paid the current month, along with an estimate based on how many shares I own. If it's bold, that means it's already been announced, and I know for a fact that that's what I'm getting paid from that stock. Yellow are the ones that are paying next month, and you don't see any here, but if I forget to update them, they turn red when it rolls into the next month. Then I simply move the month up to whenever the next payout is expected to occur, usually 3 months later every quarter, except for the high yield S&P 500 tracker fund, which pays monthly. With my small portfolio, this is a simple way to gauge what to expect in terms of dividend payouts. I'm definitely not making Lambo money just yet. As you can see, my dividend earnings are a whopping 83 cents, but that's fine. I'm just happy to have gotten started, and unfortunately, I just missed a couple of dividend windows this time around, so I'll have to wait another quarter to pick up those payouts. However, now that I have holdings, I'm building momentum and starting that snowball effect, even if I'm just a teeny little snowflake at the moment. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this spurs you to start your own portfolio and get in the game, because you can't win if you don't play. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you all again on Wednesday.